Hey everyone. Welcome to Top Tech News. This is your news channel for getting updated with the latest tech news headlines and their impact on business and our lives. To read the full news article for any of the news that we cover, simply click on its link given below in the description. To stay updated, show us some love and hit the subscribe button below and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. This way you would be informed whenever we upload a new video. Hi, my name is Dee and I am your host for today. Today's top headlines are: Fortnite game gets smaller on PC. LG unveils first tone-free wireless earphones with ANC. iPhone 12 drop test confirms durability. Galaxy S21 Ultra specs leak. Lighting 6 Stadia Pro Games for November 2020. Let's get started. Fortnite games get smaller on PC. While the main draw of Fortnite's latest update is the addition of new Halloween-themed skins and an upcoming in-game concert with J Balvin, there's also a welcome surprise if you play the game on PC. On Windows, the Battle Royale's new 14.40 patch comes in at approximately 27 GB. Once you download the update, it reduces the final install size of Fortnite from the about 90 GB it currently takes up to a much more manageable 31 GB. According to the Fortnite status Twitter account, the patch optimizes the game's file structure. PC players should see an improvement in loading times as a result. Future updates will come in smaller downloads as well. LG unveils first tone-free wireless earphones with ANC. Truly wireless earbuds have become overwhelmingly popular over the past couple of years and, like many other companies, LG has been developing its own options. This week, LG has announced the new tone-free FN7 earbuds, a pair of self-cleaning buds that offer up active noise cancellation. Each earbud has 3 microphones that monitor and cancel out sound waves from all directions, letting you hear details in music without cranking up the volume. The design is similar to the last FN6 model, including the twist-fit vortex ribs that promise a tighter in-ear seal to maximize passive sound reduction. With that and the ANC, LG promises that external noises are almost completely neutralized. The buds also come with Meridian Audio's digital signal processing that delivers a soundstage-like experience of full loudspeakers and high voice clarity. You can also customize the EQ settings via LG's tone-free app on Android or iOS devices, with natural, bass boost or treble boost settings. Battery life is rated at 5 hours with ANC turned on but 7 hours with the feature turned off. Of course, to be able to get them with the UV nano case that can supposedly kill 99.9% of E. coli and S. aureus bacteria on the inner mesh of the buds. While pricing has not yet been announced, the FN7 buds are launching in South Korea today, but will arrive in North America, Europe and elsewhere in Asia starting sometime in the fourth quarter of 2020. iPhone 12 drop test confirms durability. Apple made much ado over the iPhone 12's more resilient ceramic shield screen, but does it really help? The answer is apparently yes, although you probably won't want to depend on it too heavily. Allstate Protection Plans has conducted drop tests that show the iPhone 12 family's improved display surface helped it withstand a 6-foot drop to the sidewalk significantly better than the iPhone 11 and Galaxy S20 lineups, but with some visible damage. The standard iPhone 12 was relatively safe with small cracks and scuffs at the edges, while the slightly heavier 12 Pro had a crack down its lower half. The flatter design might also help both devices if they land back first, Allstate said. The base iPhone 12's rear glass was virtually unscathed during the sidewalk test. The 12 Pro's glass shattered, including for the wide-angle camera, unfortunately, but it was not catastrophic. A drop on the side produced scuffs and sharp edges for both iPhones, but nothing else. It does show that Apple's mix of glass and nano-sized ceramic crystals only goes so far. It might save you from rushing to repair your phone the same day, but it won't keep your phone looking pristine after a tumble. Galaxy S21 Ultra specs leak. We've only just seen the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra hit store shelves, but the hype is building for the S21 or S30 series. After renders, we now have an idea of what to expect thanks to a series of proposed Galaxy S21 Ultra specs that have been leaked. For those that do upgrade often, the Galaxy S21 Ultra doesn't look like a huge upgrade over the current S20 series, not that very many people should be looking to upgrade after less than a year with the device. According to teenage leakster Ishan Agarwal, via 91 Mobiles, the Galaxy S21 Ultra specs will offer more of the same in the early portion of 2021. In global markets, we'd expect an Exynos chipset. This latest leak suggests we'll see the Exynos 995G chipset yet again, which is confusing as the information also suggests it could include the rumored Exynos 2100 chipset plus 12 GB of RAM. At this stage, it's unclear what we'll be seeing in the S21 series in global markets. However, those in the US are very likely to see the Qualcomm Snapdragon 875 chip along with 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S21 Ultra spec sheet does suggest we'll see a 6.8-inch high refresh rate display, but it's not clear if it will be 120 Hz or even higher still. With a growing number of devices now including 144 Hz displays, it would be interesting to see Samsung adopt such a panel on its out-and-out flagship series in 2021. The device display is being touted as a dynamic AMOLED 2X display. It's not actually clear what the 2X portion is referring to, although it could mean this is a 2K rated panel, which would actually be just a tiny bit over FHD+. That said, it's not clear if that will be the case. At the rear, the odd wraparound camera nodule seen in previous renders is set to bring with it a familiar setup that consists of a 108-megapixel main sensor. The other lenses are not yet known, but we'd wager there will be a capable ultra-wide angle and periscope zoom lens also present come launch. At the front, the punch hole will be home to a 40-megapixel main sensor. The only other notable inclusion from this proposed Galaxy S21 Ultra spec sheet is a 5000 mAh battery. So far, it's a similar proposition to that of the S20 and Note 20 Ultra series we've seen thus far in 2020. With a proposed January 2021 launch date, we're sure more details will be drip-fed as the as-yet unknown unpacked launch event date looms. Lighting 6 Stadia Pro Games for November 2020. November 2020 will see 6 games join Stadia Pro on Sunday. This includes new titles Sniper Elite 4, The Gardens Between, and Hello Neighbor, Hide and Seek, as well as Risk of Rain 2. After adding 6 Pro games in October and in September, Google is continuing that trend this month. November 1st will see all the games come to the $9.99 membership, starting with Sniper Elite 4. As an elite agent of the Special Operations Executive, infiltrate World War II Italy and destroy an Axis superweapon. This version of Sniper Elite 4 features Stadia-exclusive HDR support. Another new on Stadia title is The Gardens Between, where players wield control over time to unravel gorgeous puzzles in a rich, tranquil world. Next up is Hello Neighbor, Hide and Seek, which is a sequel with more chilling hijinks and stealth action. The 3 other titles that round out November are Risk of Rain 2, the breakout survival roguelike, comes to Stadia. Join forces with up to 3 friends in this innovative and haunting adventure from Gearbox Publishing. Republic, hack security systems and take down a despot in this game of stealth and subterfuge. Sundered, Eldritch Edition, unravel dark magics and unlock new paths to victory in this vast, beautiful exploratory platformer. This month sees 4 games leave the Pro subscription: Halloween, Just Shapes and Beats, Metro Last Light Redux, Strange Brigade, and West of Loathing. The count will stand at 31 titles after the additions/subtractions. The latest Pro titles go live at midnight PT. You can visit the store on Android, iOS, or web to claim the Stadia Pro November 2020 games. They will join the Pro Games carousel, where you can manually look for the listing. Well, that's about it for today. Hope you found it helpful. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. And do show us some love by clicking on the thumbs up button. Have a wonderful day everyone, and we will be back again soon.